Welcome to Anatomy in Nutshell. Today we are going to see about anatomy of vas deferens, seminal vesicle and ejaculatory duct. First we are going to see about vas deferens or ductus deferens. It is a thick walled muscular tube transmits the spermatozoa from the epididymis to the ejaculatory duct. Length is about 18 inches or 45 cm. It's a narrow lumen except the terminal end where it's dilated and forms the ampulla. Coming to the course and relations of the vas deferens, it begins as the continuation of the tail of the epididymis along the posterior border of the testis. At first it is very tortuous and gradually it straightens on the posterior aspect of the testis. Lies vertically in the posterior part of the seminal spermatic cord as a cord-like structure. It runs upwards to the superficial inguinal ring and traverses the inguinal canal. And it emerges out of the deep inguinal ring. It leaves the spermatic cord, hooks round the lateral side of the inferior epigastric artery, passes downwards and medially across the external iliac vessels, enters the lesser pelvis, runs downwards and backwards on the lateral pelvic wall, deep to the peritoneum, crosses the obliterated umbilical artery and the obturator nerve and vessels and the vesical vessels, crosses the ureter and bends medially at right angles to enter the sacrogenital fold of peritoneum, reaching the base of the urinary bladder medial to the seminal vesicle. It approaches the opposite duct and reaches the base of the prostate, joined at an acute angle by the duct of the seminal vesicle to form the ejaculatory duct. The terminal part is called the ampulla. Coming to the blood supply of the vas, artery to the vas deferens derived from the superior vesical artery, inferior vesical artery and the middle rectal artery. All are the branches of antidivision of the internal iliac artery. The venous drainage by vesical venous plexus in turn drains into the internal iliac veins. Nerve supply parasympathetic fibers from the pelvic splanchnic nerves. The applied aspect is vasectomy. It is the most commonest family planning procedure done in males under local anesthesia. A median incision is made in the upper part of the scrotum. A short segment of each duct is excised and the contents are crushed and ligated. This procedure is called vasectomy. Next is seminal vesicles. They are two lobulated sacs situated between the bladder and the rectum. Each vesicle is about 5 cm long, directed upwards and laterally. Seminal vesicle secretion forms a large part of the semen. Duct of the seminal vesicle united with the ductus deferens to form ejaculatory duct. Secretion of the seminal vesicle slightly alkaline and contains fructose and vesiculase. Next is ejaculatory duct. Two ducts, one on each side of the median plane. At the lower end of the base of the bladder, it traverses anteroinferiorly through the upper posterior half of the prostate and opens into the posterior wall of the prostatic part of the urethra. What are the structures having 45 cm inner body? Answers, put it in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Subscribe Anatomy in Nutshell. Watch more videos in Anatomy in Nutshell channel and practice MCQs.